welcome back to another video. So today we're going to be installing private plate from Aplates on this BMW 1 Series. I've used Aplates for many years. I've even got one on my Subaru just here, which is on a Magna plate. Plates don't come with Magna plates, but this is the 4D and 3mm design on the border and on the letters. This is what they normally come like, and we've gone for pretty much the exact same design to go on this one. They also do 3D plates, carbon plates and show plates, but today I'm going to be installing pretty much the same one as on my Subaru. So let's get this old outdated boring one off. We've also downsized it. This is a 20mm, but we've gone for an 18mm oblong, so it kind of like brings it to about here, so it knocks 2mm off rather than having it all there. It will go a bit more spaced in, but we're not bothered as it will look better this way. And we've also gone for the border around too. Same with on the rear, it's also 18 with the borders. We went for the borders because of this, because of the grills having like a kind of border around here as well, and the grills on the bottom. Basically it just has a lot of borders around, so we thought we'd keep it so it matches in. But first thing we've got to do, unscrew those. It's just 2 Phillips on mine. Yours could be different, and it's meant to have a sticky plate there, but it's not even holding it, and one in the middle. Yours will probably have that too, but mine aren't stuck, so it'll literally just fall off, and then we can install the new ones. Link will be in the description if you want to copy yourself some Aplates as well. You don't have to have a private reg, you can even have a reg from factory like this one. It doesn't have to be private. So although this one is 20 oblong and the new one is 18 oblong, I'm still going to tape around, because then I know I have like a 2mm tolerance. I'll have a mil either side to get it basically straight where it is now, and we're happy with where it is at the moment. So I'm going to tape this off, and then I know exactly where to put the new one. Now taped up where I need it, and now I'm going to undo those screws, and then I can get the new plates. I'm not going to screw the new ones in. I'm going to put a double-sided sticky tapes on. As you can see, the tape that's on it at the moment is doing nothing. Now these crusty things can go, don't need those anymore. What I'm going to do is degrease the area with some solvent cleaner. Because it's white, I can use solvent cleaner. If you've got a colour car, don't use solvent cleaner, use something else like a normal degreaser to take this off, but with white it's fine. Of course, do the same process at the back with these screwed in there, but I'm going to just tape off the bottom and the side and a little bit at the top, so I know where to go. That one's just ready to come off anyway. We'll tape that. Now remove the screws. Clean that area up as well, as it's very dirty, because you can't just go sticking your pads on those if you're not going to screw it, because it ain't going to stick. Clean that, get your new plates, stick them on. This is the stuff I'm using. Just make sure you use it on white like I said. That is now done. I'm just going to leave it like that because it looks even better. Plateless BMW, fine. Right, see you later. But seriously, that is now off. I literally just peeled it off. It came off really easily. And now we can install a new plate. I'll put the yellow one on the front just to annoy him. Or furthermore, I'll put it on upside down so he can't get a ticket. I'll show you this. This is a private one. He doesn't even know he's got this. Our dad and mum bought it for him, which is decent. So this is the back of him. Obviously you've got to peel the tape off, but I'll do that after. As you can see, slightly smaller, which is even better. Less plate the better, but obviously you can't go smaller than 18 because it'd be illegal, so he's in the legal limit just. So I'm going to put the pads on the back and stick it on. These are the sticky pads, double-sided pads that come in the kit. So there's 5 here and 5 on the other side. So I'm going to put 5 on each plate. So first one I'm going to do is going to go on the very end. You have a little gap here so you can actually peel it. Make sure you firmly press those down so they actually go off. And another one basically in the same area. So there, right. So that's all the pads on now. So I'm going to go right there because that is bang on level. Get that bit of tape stuck on, put it where I want it to be now. and there. That is now where I want it to be. Let's get it stuck on. Just peel these off. Right, now we can put it on. Make sure you get it where you want it. And there we go, that is it now on. Now let's take all the tape off. Make sure you press it down firmly. And that is bang on where it needs to be. So I'm happy with that. And hopefully Curtis will be too. I wonder how long it actually takes him to notice. I'm not even gonna say anything. The reason they put this tape on is so it's protected, so the gloss can't be damaged. I do like the carbon ones, but obviously they're not legal, so I use the gloss ones as well. There you go. That looks 10 times better. Jesus, that is so much better. A little mod like that makes the biggest differences. That is sweet. I think he'll like that. So his name's Curtis, obviously. It's got a lad on the end. Curtis, lad. Now, let's go do the same with the back. This is your signs clean behind your number plates. They are minging. And the reason why I'm not using screws is because I hate using screws. If it was me, I'd be putting magnet plates on. I don't even think Curtis knows what they are yet, but one day he'll probably have them on. Right, now that is pretty much clean. Now let's do the same thing as we did on the front. Let's go position it and get it on. I am going to do this slightly higher than what it already is, because you can see the plate holes right here. So I am going to make that slightly higher. Take these off. There we go. That is now on too. Peel the tape off. Obviously I did go a bit higher so it covered those screw hole plates. And there we go. Hopefully I'll catch his reaction, but I don't know if I will, because he could be going out any minute on his own. And it depends how long it takes for him to actually notice it's done. Knowing Curtis, he'll never know. That's a new plate on. It does actually look really good. So definitely get your plates from Aplates, because they are always good quality. I've had them for years, got one on my Scooby. And now Curtis has got one on his BMW. So now I'm gonna get Curtis's reaction. This guy walked past it like 6 times. I've got a couple of recordings that I'm gonna put on screen now of him walking past and the plate literally being right in front of his face and not even noticing it. We went out to so many different places. We went and got some brake pads and he didn't notice it the whole time we went out. In the car, out the car, and out the car again. So in the end I ended up telling him and getting Cody to record it. I messaged her to start recording, and basically from then on you'll see his reaction. So if you want to see his reaction, stay tuned for the end of when he finally realizes.
Do you want to see the size of this fucking door I had to lift?
Show me in the car.
So, that's the door.
Yeah.
Behind it is a normal sized door.
Jesus Christ.
Mate, it was stupid as fuck.
You're stupid as fuck. Huh? Oh, you won't know how to do that.
So I do it. What day should I do it? So I'm at gym today.
It's on the weekend. I'd have to do it. You would not know where to start.
Any day on the weekend, yeah.
Well, maybe, yeah.
Boom, he's back up a percent.
Go off that bit.
Good. CEO7 lad. What? Wait, have you put plates on my car?
No.
Oh, mate, definitely have. For
I didn't even know you were on there.
It doesn't quite cool. Not bad. It doesn't quite cool.
3 or 4 times and he's not even noticed. So I told him to go on his app and have a look, and then he went straight past it on his app. I was like, no, go off that bit, go to the other bit. Huh?
That's quite cool.
Quite sick, aren't they?
Yeah, I like that.
And there they are. Thanks for watching this video. Let me know your thoughts and opinions down below. I'll see you all in the next one.